This is how you're going to integrate Brevo with WordPress. So Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, helps you send automated emails to your WordPress visitors. So this one is actually just very, very easy. All you have to do is to just install the Brevo for WordPress as plugin, and then you'll be able to use it in your WordPress account already. So from your WordPress dashboard, let's start from here. You're going to look over to the left side panel until you see this plugins button right here. So you're just going to click on that. And then from the plugins page, you're just going to have to search for Brevo. Now from this page, you're just going to search for Brevo from the search bar. And then you're going to hit on enter. Now you will be able to see two options here. You can see Brevo for WooCommerce, as well as Brevo for email, SMS, web push, chat, and more. But for this one, what is important is we connected with the WooCommerce first. So this one helps you with the marketing part. So you should have to install this, but you have to make sure that you are on a business plan. So you have to upgrade and activate before you can connect it to Brevo. But after activating or upgrading this, you no longer have to do anything but just authorize the connection between Brevo and WordPress, and then you'll be able to use it into your WordPress already. And that is how you're going to integrate Brevo with WordPress. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.